What up, though?
Hey y'all, how you doing?
We bike with something different, baby. Tell them what we doing today.
We are doing Ray's K-Dogs. They have Korean corn dogs where you can get different flavors. You could also change up what's inside of it, like mozzarella and sausage, cheddar and sausage. Change the toppings on top. You can choose different flavor sauce dips and toppings. So, like, we got the spicy mayo, we got a sweet chili sauce, we got a jalapeno ranch, and a regular ranch. So we got a little bit of everything to kind of try. Is there one you want to try first?
So we want the hot honey K-Dogs, classic with half mozzarella, half beef. We'll try it with ranch.
And that's this one.
Ranch.
Do you want to take the first bite?
Yep, because I picked the first.
And I can tell that's it because it's the one that has the honey.
I'm gonna fresh out the grease. You hear me?
Yeah, you do online ordering. You can find them on Facebook and order online and then schedule a time for pickup.
Oh, they scheduled it for you. It's too hot for me to really taste what's going on. I know it's good, but it's hot.
So you want to try it with ranch?
Hold on, I gotta try it first.
Sorry about the phone. I'll turn off eventually. I think I should down. You said the ranch, so. It's nice and crunchy.
Oh yeah.
The cheese got a good little pull to it.
Oh yeah.
You like it with the ranch?
Oh yeah. I'm trying to taste the beef dog in there.
Ow. Hold me back. Well, you gonna do it as ranch?
Oh yeah.
It is really hot.
Don't remember. Fresh out the grease. And I can appreciate that.
Ooh, if we take $4, might be a longer video if it takes us this long to get through all of them.
Now we know what the beef tastes like. It's cool. What do you want to do next? I know it's hot.
We got potato, spicy, or classic.
Let's do, where's your turn to pick? Let's do the K, because we picked the potato K-Dog because it's half cheddar, half beef with garlic Parmesan.
So you want to do the potato one?
Mayonnaise. Yeah. It'll probably be better with the jalapeno, right?
Yeah, well that one was supposed to be with jalapeno. I think we got the regular ranch for the spicy dog. But potato K-Dog. We got a garlic Parmesan on there. I'm going to go ahead and dip my bite with the spicy mayo.
Why you want to dip the bite, baby? Taking a wing from the goodness of the...
No, it's not. Because a lot of times when you go to the place, like, look, dip it. when you go to the place, they already sprinkle this sauce on there. That's good, ain't it?
That's busting. I don't like nothing spicy.
I know she was worried.
Good. K-Ray Dogs, you gonna do y'all Ray K Dogs. I keep saying K-Ray Dogs. My bad, y'all. I don't want to mess up y'all name. Ray's is cutting up.
This one seems like you get to the sausage quicker because we're ready to the sausage.
Yeah, because it was cheddar cheese.
Compared to the other one.
We gotta keep it moving. But you can't keep eating them up like that.
Well, eat them.
Down. Let's try the classic that you wanted.
Okay.
They wanted to go with classic.
So this is a classic one.
All mozzarella sugar with sweet chili.
You want to try it?
No,
you want?
Okay.
Okay, so I'm gonna grab the sweet chili sauce. They do also have like ketchup, mustard, things like that, but
that's all mozzarella now.
And you can tell because it falls off a little bit more.
Let me see that jalapeno ranch.
You don't want to try sweet chili?
Mm-mm.
Because everyone knows what sweet chili tastes like. I like sweet chili. Here's the jalapeno ranch. The cheese one does fall a little bit more off of the stick just because it's just cheese. But
that's good. My jalapeno ranch, homemade. Fire. In the booth. 10 out of 10, must try it again.
you can see it gives what it's supposed to give. I think the ranch for the here, you want to try this one first?
Yeah, I do. You know, I like them hot Cheetos now.
I'm not the biggest hot Cheeto fan, but
It's only got, it's an all beef dog. The classic,
that one's all beef.
homemade ranch.
So we
It's
tried.
different what it's supposed to give.
Yeah, so we went ahead and tried different top insides of all of ours too, just to see.
That's fire. They did what they were supposed to do with that one.
I definitely get the hot Cheeto vibe all around my mouth. Because you got to open your mouth to get it around the dog or whatever.
Excuse me. That mother fire. That mother, they done dipped it in. Now we can't do nothing else with it. That's fine.
That's the only
I can't make it slide up,
slide down.
down my mouth.
It definitely has the hot Cheeto vibe on it.
This would be mine. She ain't gonna want
Yeah.
it. After. That's all me. Okay,
So,
let me try
you want to try
a
a different dip?
jalapeno ranch with that potato dog.
Set that over there. Jalapeno, here, hold this. And push your dog up.
So what you think of your whole overall experience?
I think it's a definite must try. If you're in the Clarksville area, go on Facebook, look for Ray K's dog, K/dog. And yeah,
This is fire.
definitely hit them up. Try them out. Some days they're open, some days You know, he'll let you know on the website what days he's open. Oh, this one has more cheese. Did the cheese go down the dog or something? Because I can... I think it's cheese, meat, cheese, dog. Yeah.
Y'all.
This jalapeno ranch is really good.
Y'all don't listen to me about doing nothing else or going nowhere else. Please don't walk. Run to Ray K-Dog, because they are fire and they're inexpensive. He ain't busting you over the head.
Yeah.
Nothing with the prices. Fire. You can try a variety pack. They got everything you need on this website. You have to go try. Gotta go. 10 out of 10. Must try again. Eating with Swag approved.
They are on like DoorDash too.
Yeah. If you need to get it delivered to your crib, they got you too. So. Okay. My bad. Your mom's so good. We hope you enjoyed this review. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. Leave a comment down below. Share us out. Why? Because it's free. Why not? Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hit that post notification bell so you will know every time we upload the greatest hit. Every day you wake up
is another day for greatness.
So until the next video / review that was fire.
See you on the flip side.
Peace.